Jiuquan, China. A Chinese spacecraft carrying a three-person crew successfully docked with its orbiting space station on Tuesday, part of China's efforts to enhance its space exploration capabilities in competition with the United States, while also seeking international collaboration. The crew, consisting of 2 men and 1 woman, will take over from the astronauts who have been aboard the Tiangong space station for the past 6 months, where they conducted various experiments and maintained the station's operations. The new crew is expected to remain in space until April or May of next year. Mission Commander Cai Xuzhe, who previously flew on the Shenzhou 14 mission in 2022, leads the team. First-time space travelers Song Lingdong and Wang Haozhe round out the crew. Born in the 1990s, they are graduates of the latest wave of Chinese astronaut recruitment, having undergone extensive training and testing. Song is a former Air Force pilot, while Wang, who will serve as the crew's payload specialist, is an engineer with the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. China's state broadcaster, China Central Television, announced early Wednesday that the launch and entry into space had been a complete success. The Shenzhou 19 spacecraft lifted off from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center at 4:27 a.m. local time, 4:27 p.m. Tuesday ET, atop a Long March 2F rocket, the mainstay of China's crewed space missions. After being excluded from the International Space Station due to U.S. concerns about military control over China's space program, China has built its own space station. Its ambitious lunar program aims to land a person on the moon by 2030, making China the second country to achieve this after the United States. Additionally, the Chinese Space Agency has successfully landed a rover on Mars, launched a lunar research station, and returned rock and soil samples from the moon, marking a significant achievement in recent space exploration. While the U.S. maintains its lead in space exploration and plans to return astronauts to the moon for the first time in over 50 years, China continues to make strides. The new Chinese crew will conduct spacewalks and install equipment to shield the station from space debris, some of which has resulted from China's past activities. NASA has noted that large debris in orbit has increased due to events such as satellite collisions and explosions, including a 2007 incident when China destroyed a defunct weather satellite. China has measures in place for the safe return of its astronauts should an early departure from the mission become necessary. Since launching its first crewed mission in 2003, China has established itself as a major player in space exploration, marking significant advancements in technology and national pride over the past 2 decades.